Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I draw my eyebrow. This literally takes me less than 10 minutes every day. So to draw my eyebrow, I usually need an eyebrow pencil, a concealer brush, an angle brush, a blending brush, and a concealer. So first of all, I start by brushing my non-existent eyebrow hair. So next I take my eyebrow pencil and then I start to draw lines basically. So for this part I'm going to say you have the shape in your mind. When you vision the shape, try to get that shape on your eyebrows and try to draw something that looks like the shape and then just fill it in. Dang, my face looks weird up close like this. So after drawing in both brows with the pencil, I'm going to use my brush and brush it out so it gives it this natural look-ish. And now it's time for concealing. So I usually use the Fit Me concealer. So I put a little of that with a little foundation on my hand just to match it to my color a little bit more. And then I go with my angle brush and then mix them together and then I conceal. Now this is the point where you correct any errors you made when you were drawing with the brow pencil. So concealing, you have to be careful with it so you don't have to like draw again and keep concealing. So I'm going to try to be very precise and then correct any errors you made. So after concealing, you have to make sure they both look alike and then you start blending. So I go with my blending brush and then I blend it as much so that it doesn't show any flaky or any streaky thing above the eyebrow. So it just looks as natural as possible. So after blending, I like to brush the start of my eyebrows to give it this natural look so it looks like hair is coming out when there's actually no hair there. And then I use my hand to just like adjust it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if this was a helpful tutorial. And also let me know if you prefer me with eyebrows or without eyebrows, because some of my friends say prefer me without eyebrows. Just let me know what you think and if you're actually going to practice it. And I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.